I'm working on removing the Acura TL trunk latch today. This is a 2000 TL in the salvage yard. You see the trunk latch here. It doesn't have an emergency release handle on this one. It is kind of covered up by this fabric liner here. So what we've got to do is remove all of these plastic clips, and we're going to take this liner completely out to do this job. Sometimes you can fold this liner over if you take the top ones out, but for the purpose of this video, I'll take the whole liner off. So that way you have a full view of the latch and where we're going to disconnect it. Gonna work from the bottom. Just be careful to not break these clips. I'm a little rough in the junkyard though, as you can pry them out with pry tool, but I think I'll just yank on them. You'll see this release cable kind of hanging off here. You can pull that out. It will be attached in here most likely. This is to release the latch from right behind the rear passenger seat. There's a rubber pull tab. You can't see it on this car. I think that they pulled on it to release it, and sometimes this is ripped off, so it's kind of not working. So you can just pull that off, and then you'll install that when you go to reinstall the latch. There are two 10mm bolts here. Just grab whatever 10mm you have and take those out. The latch will drop down. Okay, and then there's a 5-pin connector on the back. I would actually unplug it at this point. You'll see that. And then if you have a replacement clip, you can kind of pull down on this pretty hard, but what I do is I stick my finger in on this side. It gets the clip out a little bit, and then you can push in with a small screwdriver kind of in the middle of that clip. It's kind of hard to do it one-handed, but I'll see if I can do it. Just pry that out. You see there. Yeah, I think the trick is just pressing the middle of that clip. I will put the part numbers for this latch as well as the newer version of this latch, which goes in the 2001 to 2003 Acura TL. It is the same 5-pin connector. If you're in a jam, you can use that one, or you can use this one. It's a different part number. I'll put links to eBay in the description. Hope that helps. We'll see you next time.